Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gear. Today, we're diving into the Hoka Skyward X, a shoe that promises exceptional cushioning and performance for long-distance running. We'll explore its design, fit, performance on the road, and whether it's worth your investment. Let's start with the design of the Hoka Skyward X. It features a tri-layered midsole consisting of PEBA foam for a lively bounce, a carbon fiber plate for added stability and energy return, and an EVA foam base with Hoka's signature rocker shape for smooth transitions. The upper is crafted from a breathable flat knit with perforated sections for ventilation. It's well padded around the tongue and heel collar, offering a snug fit that's supportive yet comfortable, although it's worth noting there's no wide fit option available. Fit is crucial in any running shoe, and the Skyward X generally fits true to size. Reviewers noted that it provides a comfortable fit for narrow feet, though those with wider feet might find it snug. Additional eyelids in the lacing system allow for a secure fit, addressing initial concerns with heel lockdown. The shoe's weight and size contribute to its stability on the road, surprising testers with its stable feel despite its chunky appearance. The internal and external heel counters enhance support, making it suitable for longer runs where impact absorption is key. Now, let's talk about how the Hoka Skyward X performs on the run. Reviewers logged over 40 miles in these shoes, highlighting its strengths and weaknesses. During testing, the Skyward X proved to be excellent for long, easy runs and recovery miles. The cushioning and shock absorption capabilities were praised for minimizing impact on the legs, which is ideal for high-mileage training. The combination of PEBA foam and the carbon plate delivered a responsive and smooth ride, aiding efficiency during longer distances. However, where the Skyward X falls short is in speed and agility. Its hefty weight and high stack height make it less suitable for fast-paced training or race days, lacking the nimbleness of lighter models like the Saucony Endorphin Speed 4 or Hoka's own Mach X. In conclusion, should you consider buying the Hoka Skyward X? If you prioritize comfort and stability for your long training runs and recovery days, this shoe excels. Its superior cushioning and supportive design make it a standout choice for endurance runners or those who appreciate a plush ride. However, if you're looking for a shoe that can handle both easy runs and speed work, you might want to explore other options in the market that offer a lighter weight and more agility. That wraps up our review of the Hoka Skyward X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique. Remember to check the description for links to more information and where to buy. Follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes content. Until next time, keep running strong.